So hello everyone, welcome along to this interview that I'm really looking forward to. My name is Brian Duffy, I'm the Chief Executive of the Watches of Switzerland Group. And today delighted to be joined by Catherine Renier, who is the CEO of Jaeger-LeCoultre. Catherine, welcome, nice to see you.
Very nice to see you, Brian. Thank you for the introduction. Pleasure to be with you today.
And you were just saying, as we chatted briefly, you're covered in snow and up in the Jura Mountains.
Exactly. I mean, our beautiful Vallée de Joux in the mid-April almost, and snow is falling. So it's a very interesting day. But in the meantime, we're inside enjoying beautiful watches, and within the manufacturer, very happy to be in Watches and Wonders, revealing fantastic creations this year. So snow or rain or wind, nothing stops us outside.
Yeah, indeed. We'll talk about your wonderful brand in just a moment. But Watches and Wonders overall, how have you found it?
Well, I have found it very satisfactory because we've been working extremely hard, especially, of course, in the sanitary condition of the last 12 months, to bring novelties and our very high complication ready for the public to discover now at Watches and Wonders. We managed, despite the challenge of having a lot of our production closed. And it's, I think, more satisfactory than ever to be really looking towards the future, presenting this collection, being very proud of what we have achieved with Reverso, with this icon that is very dear to the Maison and celebrating 90 years in 2021.
Yeah, which I look forward to. I love to see the product. I love the Reverso collection and the Jaeger brand. But just before we get there, just for our viewers and listeners and followers, let's just talk a little about the great history of Jaeger-LeCoultre, because in many ways it's the perfect history of Swiss watchmaking in the Jura. Huguenot family escaping persecution, finding themselves with a new life in a new country in the Jura Mountains.
Yes, you're right. Actually, this is how we were born. Really coming and escaping in the Jura Mountain, a very difficult climate. There was really a challenge here to spend tough winters, and the occupation was to be really an engineer for our founders and to create beautiful objects and to work metal. And this is how it all started. And in 1833, we decided to gather know-hows and craftsmanship under one roof in one place here in the manufacture from where I'm speaking today, so that the flow of communication and invention would be easier by putting all the know-hows that we needed in one spot. And this is what the spirit of Jaeger-LeCoultre is still today. We have 180 know-hows within our manufacture. We have registered over 400 patents. We have done 1,400 caliber. That's who we are, a caliber maker, a movement maker. Yep. And we do it all within the walls of our manufacture with the expertise of our craftsmen.
You know what, I've had the pleasure of visiting your manufacturer. It was the first I ever saw when I joined this business, actually in 2014. And it's very, very impressive. Your museum, they are taking you through the wonderful history and everything throughout the manufacture, obviously pristine, but still very available to see. And I was absolutely mesmerized by that trip.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Definitely, it's a special feeling. One cannot be immune, or neutral. You have to have strong emotions when you walk through these walls, for sure.
Yeah, no, indeed, you're in a wonderful business and you have a wonderful job and been up there in the Jura Mountains. It's I'm jealous. I mean, despite the snow, I'm personally jealous. But of course, the first 100 years it was the LeCoultre company, and then another Frenchman comes along, Jaeger. Yeah. And from 1937, you're Jaeger-LeCoultre, and from 2006, part of the great Richemont group. overall, and very clearly, and as we'll go on and see and talk about the products that you're presenting, a wonderful history, as you've just said, the number of calibers, the number of patents, wonderful history on innovation, complications, minute repeaters, perpetual calendars, tourbillon, making the world's smallest watch, the world's thinnest.
The Caliber 101, Memovox, the one and only alarm. So definitely a lot of signatures, a lot of expertise. We really look at our expertise in 3 fields. You have all the expertise on precision. We are, of course, as a watchmaker, really paying attention to precisions, and the best expression for us of this is our gyro tourbillon, our 3-axis patented tourbillon. We have, of course, a strong expertise in sound as well. We talked a lot about it last year. Again, this year with the minute repeater of one of our high complication. There are a number of patents still active on minute repeaters for Jaeger-LeCoultre to always improve the quality and the volume of the sound. And last but not least, our expertise lies as well in celestial complications. And this year, the Reverso quadriptych, the Caliber 185 that we are introducing, is like a book of these complications: precision, minute repeater, and celestial. And you discover each on each face of the watch.
Yeah, it's an amazing accomplishment, I have to say. One of the greatest in the history of the Swiss watches of that, I've no doubt. So this wonderful history and complications, precision, technology, equally a wonderful history on the artistic or the aesthetic side with enameling and guilloche and engraving and so on. And many of these skills you've effectively preserved.
We do indeed. Yeah, thank you for mentioning. We are very, it's very important to us, and these rare handcrafts are also part of our manufacture in a very dedicated workshop where we do enameling, where we do engraving, where we do our stone setting. So it's fully integrated as part of our design and development of our watches.
So let's talk Reverso, and let's let our listeners hear about this amazing story. How and why was the Reverso created?
It was created on March 4th, 1931. Actually, that's the day almost, now past 90 years. It was the 90-year anniversary a month ago. March 4th, that the patent for the swiveling case of Reverso was registered. And the reason behind was a challenge given to the Maison by British polo players based in India that wanted a watch that could be protected during polo games. The answer was the swiveling case, so you can turn your watch and protect, obviously, the glass of the watch. But very quickly, Reverso went beyond being a watch for polo players. It became really a statement of fashion and design in the 30s, adorning itself with colored dials. We had brown, red, and black dials, for instance, which was very unusual, and becoming a watch as well that not only men, but also women would wear right away in the 30s. So sophistication, elegance, design, and style were the attribute of Reverso and have remained since then.
Yeah, in the ultimate Art Deco watch.
Needless to say, 30s, we are in the Art Deco period. We are really in a full Art Deco style for the design of the case of the watch. So here you have a golden ratio, a perfect balance between the length and the width of the watch. You have a work with lines and godrons at the top and the bottom, which give Reverso a very strong identity, immediately recognizable. And in fact, when you look at Reverso, even if the case is very geometric, you only see soft angles. It is actually a very, very well-built case that has almost not changed since the 30s.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I could tell you my daughter-in-law, it was the number one choice that she had for a watch, a Duetto, which she absolutely loves.
Very nice.
Much admired by our friends. So you mentioned briefly the new movement, the 185, but let's talk a little more about it because it's absolutely amazing what you've done.
Yeah, so the new movement Caliber 185 is born and raised in the manufacturer. So it really starts from a blank page, an idea, the wish to make the most complex Reverso ever. And here our research and development team started 6 years ago to put this together. It's more than 40 people that work in our R&D department here in the Vallée de Joux. And they have really made wonders. So the Reverso quadriptych has in the front, all the functions on precision. So you have a grand date, you have a flying tourbillon, you have actually a perpetual calendar. At the back, you have a minute repeater and then lunar cycles on the third and fourth phase. So very high complication. So, I mean, I have the piece that we can take a look at. It is interesting to see how we've maximized the 4 phases of Reverso and how in fact, the Caliber 185 is not only based in the swiveling case of Reverso, but also in the cradle of the watch, and the mystery, the magic happens at midnight when they both connect to give each other the instructions for the moon phases to move forward.
I hope dearly I get the opportunity of seeing one in reality. I know you're not making many, and of course they'll be immediately sought after by top collectors. But it's just such an amazing feat of engineering and technical accomplishment, and it looks beautiful.
It's really like a concept car, and it's a lot of research, development that goes into it, but definitely a lot of learning as well that will fuel our innovation and our creations for the years to come.
And for us mere mortals that are out there that love Reverso, what other developments are you doing, introducing for the 90th anniversary?
Well, we are very proud as well to work on a tribute to the Reverso first and foremost look and style and design with color dials. And this year we have the new green dial on the Reverso tribute, one that comes next to the burgundy and the blue. We have them here on the camera. Maybe we can show them to our viewers. Beautiful colors with a very careful work on the match of the strap together with the dial. You see the blue that existed and the burgundy, and now we come with green. We've chosen this very warm color because they are really fitting with the spirit of Reverso, with the style, the elegance of the piece. The strap is designed by Casa Fagliano. They have been our partners for 10 years. They are a polo bootmaker in Argentina, specialized in working with leather and fabric to make the perfect polo boots. And they have designed this strap for Reverso. So there is really a strong connection here of craftsmanship and partnership with Casa Fagliano. So the green is monoface, and the back can be completely engraved and personalized, which is, of course, one of the signature of Reverso, that is this really personal bond you can have with the piece.
Yeah, which goes way back to its origins, the polo players.
Yes, on the, exactly. You can protect it. Even though I'm sure any Reverso today, including obviously the quadriptych, is probably more robust than the one from 1931.
Yes, I'm sure. And did you say you had the product for the 185?
Yes, so I do. Let me put it on the screen. So it's right there. Here we go. So here we open on the second face of the watch. So you see on the screen, in fact, the minute repeater. You can see the hammers, which are the trebuchet hammers, one of the patents of the Maison. The trebuchet hammers give more energy to the gong and more volume to the minute repeater. Another patent is the fact that the gongs are tied up to the glass, again, to amplify the sound. And a brand new patent on this piece is the suppression, totally suppression of the silent gaps between the minute and the hours when they chime and when there is no quarter. So we chime the quarter, but if there is no quarter to chime, the melody will be totally seamless. You have a digital time display at the top. You see the blue circle here. And maybe we can put the front of the watch and turn it. And there you will actually enjoy the front with the flying tourbillon, the grand date, and the perpetual calendar. And then the third phase with the 3 lunar cycles. The lunar cycles that indicate either the moon phase or the time when there is an eclipse or when there is a special big moon, depending on the distance with her. So very complex cycles of which the calculation were completely done in-house in the manufacturer because the knowledge on the celestial complication has been developed over the years very deeply. And at the back, we have the moon phase of the southern hemisphere. And you can enjoy the work of the métiers rares, the rare handcrafts on the third and fourth phase, and the decor of the Clou de Paris done also in-house in the first and second phase of the watch. So voila, that's the masterpiece for us for this year. Very happy to be able to share it with you.
It's worthy of your 90th anniversary celebrations. Really wonderful. And it must have been amazing seeing that be developed over the last. You said
yes. I've been very lucky to to enjoy in my 3 years of tenure 2 high complication, 2 Ibris Mechanica, the Jarreau Tourbillon 5 in 2019, yes, and now the Reverso Calibre 185 in 2021. So, this is the magic that Jaeger-LeCoultre is able to produce. But there is one more piece I would like to share with you. Also, it's really a true symbol as well of Jaeger-LeCoultre mastery in sound. We talked a lot about the minute repeater that you can find in the Reverso Calibre 185. But sound takes other shapes as well at Jaeger-LeCoultre. Our expertise also comes in the Memovox alarm, a key signature of Jaeger-LeCoultre. And last year, we had several Memovox join the collection, including one in our latest Polaris Mariner collection. And I thought it was nice to share with your viewer as well this know-how of Jaeger-LeCoultre. The Polaris Mariner is part of our Polaris collection, inspired by a model from the 60s. And you can see the blue lacquer dial with the different shades of blue, really enhancing the various design on the dial of the watch. You can see, of course, that it's a Memovox, so you have the little triangle at the top, and you can set the alarm historically to remind you that it's time to come back from your dive. I would recommend to have other professional tools as well, but it's a very nice symbol of what the Memovox was made for, which was really this alarm to help you in your dive or in your personal life every day, to wake you up or remind you it's time for a meeting. This is brand new in our collection as well, and clearly a very dear piece to celebrate the craftsmanship and the signatures of Jaeger LeCoultre movement.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous blue in the UK. We love blue on steel in the UK for sure.
Very nice.
Yes, and Polaris. The only problem I think we've found with Polaris is getting enough of them.
Point taken, Brian.
Okay, and just some other really nice introductions that I'm sure our viewers will be very interested in is the Master Ultra Thin with the moon phase. Really beautiful.
Yes, well, this is really our classic and really our core collection for classic watches. This year we come with further improvement on the collection. We are going further in the power reserve, in the reliability of the piece. Part of our research and development, actually a big part of our research and development is also spending time on the continuous improvement, on the amelioration, continuous improvement of our existing watches. Yeah. This is important to always challenge the status quo and keep looking in particular on power reserve and reliability of all the calibers to keep delivering to the level of what we saw in the Hybris Mechanica. Yeah. And that comes, of course, needless to say, with the warranty program of 8 years that the Maison has launched now 2 years ago, which takes really a statement on how confident we are on, in fact, the permanent quality and improvement of our products.
Yeah, and just on the Master, and again, thin movements and thin cases are again a speciality from your heritage with Jaeger LeCoultre.
Definitely.
Yeah, and we are thrilled and thank you that the Blue Dial version we'll be able to introduce to this market with a period of exclusivity here in the UK. So thank you for that.
Very nice.
And congratulations on everything, Catherine. It's a really great presentation. I'm sure you're very happy and very proud with it. We're very proud to represent you in both the UK and the US markets. And,
definitely, we are very, very proud, very excited. And definitely thank you, Brian, for your time, for your question. Always a pleasure to be with you and discuss on watches.
No, absolutely my pleasure. I hope you managed to get down the mountain okay with the snow. I'm sure you'll be very experienced at it.
Yeah, full of surprises in the valley.
Lovely to see you, Catherine. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you. See you very soon. All the best.
Bye.